kicked. Well, no, it ain't kicked on yet. The wheel just kicked on. But anyway, we got an automatic timer here. It's supposed to be kicking on in 3 minutes. Oh, it's already kicked on. It's already kicked on. Oh, I got it set to run for 3 minutes. And we got it hose coming from there. It just kicked on. I forgot. Gonna catch it when it first started, but my bad. Anyway, I got it set to run 3 minutes. Got this valve set up open halfway, so water will come out this one and then to run along. We got water coming out this one. Just use what I had here. It's 1/2 inch there. That's what I had. Try not to buy too much. Then it comes down. It goes to this one, and you can see water coming out. I got to put a 45-degree fitting on the end of that one so it'll point outwards to a container, and it should shut off in 3 minutes. This is going to be our setup.